Hi guys, today I'm gonna review the Bremont mbii Martin Baker. I did an unboxing on this watch. I'm gonna let link below. So as we can see, we do have the white dial. I'm gonna quickly do the measures. The case is 43 millimeters stainless steel. We have 14.6 thickness, and we have 50 millimeters lug to lug, and we have 22 millimeters lug width. The Martin Baker is coming from the Martin Baker is the guy who invented the ejection seat on the airplane, and Bremont company, they made a project with them, and I think they managed to do an absolutely lovely watch. We do have the Bremont logo at 12 o'clock with the propellers. We do have the anti-shock automatic, and we do have London at the bottom. It's not Swiss or Japanese, it's 100% British. At 4 o'clock we have the crown with the propellers, which we can set up the time, date and date. It's unscrewed crown, so we push to the first position. We can adjust the day. The other one, we can adjust the date. As soon as we push one more time, we can see the second hand is stopped, so we can adjust the time. There we go. At 4 o'clock we do have the internal bezel. I'm gonna take it all the way to 12 o'clock. This match is absolutely lovely. I'm gonna see if I can manage to do it nearby the microphone, so you're gonna be able to hear it. It's absolutely lovely. The watch is very, very nice and strong built up. We do have 100 meters water resistant. We can see some here at the back saying 10 ATM. And with anti-shock resistant as well. I think when they taste this watch, they put it on an airplane chair on hands of the mannequin, and they shake it very strong, very hard. We don't have black leather strap, very thin, very nice built up. We have the Bremont logo on the buckle, and what they did, they did something amazing. So now as you pull the buckle, you can see it's going on the sides of the strap. Nice, very nice and strong strap. On the second hand, we can see the end, it's like a pusher from the ejection seats on the airplane. It's yellow and black. They do this watch they're doing it with black dial as well, and I see the new one coming out with blue, absolutely lovely. I only found out about this brand about 3-4 months ago, and I studied the brand, and as soon as I got my first one and as soon as I got my hands on it, I've been like absolutely impressed with the quality. I'm thinking to get a new one now. There is a lot of criticism about the Bremont company, but the company, I think, was built up in 2002, and in this very little time they built up so quality watches, and they came out so very well made watches. I did an unboxing on this watch. I'm gonna let the link below so you can see that as well if you like to. So I can put it on my wrist. Let me see if I can do another closer look. Let me see what you think about this watch in the comment below. Thank you very much for watching.